Hello everyone, I am Samardeep Singh. Today we will going to learn about manufacturing industry. Well, India economy is known for the agriculture, but manufacturing industry is also a growing sector of Indian economy. Manufacturing is very important for India because of the following reasons. The first is that it helps in modernizing the agriculture. Tractors, fertilizers, pesticides, modern equipment, whatever is manufactured in these industries help the agriculture to be modernized. Therefore, it is country like India required that we have a better industries and manufacturing infrastructure. Number two, it reduces the burden of agriculture on the jobs. Well, India primarily depend upon agriculture, but nowadays because modern equipment is used, so there will be a less opportunities for the labor. Therefore, manufacturing industries, factories provide job opportunities to all of them. Next is it reduce employment, unemployment and poverty. Well, as you know that poverty is reduced when people get jobs on regular basis. Manufacturing industries provide jobs throughout the year, and that is very important because in agriculture the jobs are seasonally available. At the time of seeding or at the time of harvesting of crop, jobs are available. But in manufacturing industry, jobs are available throughout the year because manufacturing continues throughout the year also. Next advantage is that we earn lot of money by exporting the manufactured goods. India export many things like cotton, like many other things. So that is the advantage of it. Transfer of raw material. Well, manufacturing industry transfer the raw material into finished goods. Like iron ore is converted into different type of product like channel gate or shutters or machinery or equipment or tools. So they convert it into a finished good. So these are the few importance of the manufacturing industry. Now, what is the contribution of manufacturing industry? Well, the contribution of manufacturing industry in GDP is around 17%, and it is we are trying to focus it to the 25%, and therefore we want it to grow to the 12% per annum. Currently the rate of growth is 9 to 10% per annum, but we want it to grow to 12% per annum. Therefore, to make it to 25% per annum, National Manufacturing Competitive Council is set up. The target of this council is that we grow at the rate of 12%. So that is being set up. Next important thing is that how we select the location of any company. Well, the location is determined by the four factors. First factor is availability of resources. As raw material will be available nearby the factory, it will be convenient for the manufacturer, and it also save lot of transportation cost. Second is distribution factors or distribution channel. Well, distribution cost is also considered to be a very crucial when we are establishing a manufacturing unit. Third is the cost of production, and fourth is the location of availability of labor and other resources. So all these factors are kept into mind when we decided place of any manufacturing unit. Now we can classify the manufacturing industries on different bases, like on the basis of its raw material. So on its basis we can classify into two types. One is the agro based and second one is the mineral based. Agro based is like cotton, woolen, silk, textile, all these are agro based. Edible oil, tea, coffee, sugar cane, all these are converted and manufactured into different product here. So that is the first is the agro based manufacturing unit. Number two, that is the mineral based. Iron ore is converted into different type of products. So iron industries, steel industries, aluminum industries, all these are the mineral based industry. So two type of industry here on the basis of raw material. Second is on the basis of the role play. For the first type of this category is the basic or key industry, like iron ore or the steel or aluminum or electricity or electronics. All these are the key industry of any economy. So it is the basic industry or key industry. Second is the consumer industry, like toothpaste, paper, then fan. All these making industries are are called the consumer based industry. The third one is the small scale and the large scale industry on the basis of capital investment. So the number of amount more you invest, the size will be of industry will be the bigger. So on the basis of investment, you will classify it as a small industry or and a large industry. Next type of the category of manufacturing industry is on the basis of ownership, like public ownership or private ownership or a joint sector. Like public sector owned company is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited or Steel Authority India Limited. All these are the public sector industry. Private sector industry like Dabur or Bajaj Auto or Tata Steel, all these are the private sector or private owned industry. That is the joint sector. You will find many places there is a government and private and public partnership. So it is also a type of manufacturing unit. Now we coming to the last category, that is on the basis of the weight or bulkiness, like heavy industry, iron steel industry is a heavy industry, and one is the light industry like electronic industry is a light industry. So this is the few type of industry. This is all for the manufacturing industry. I hope you like the video. Please share it. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.